I'm Ron Mangahig and I'm from Australia. I'm currently pursuing a degree in early childhood education right here at University of Canberra, Sydney Hills. University of Canberra, Sydney Hills provides fantastic resources and a vibrant community. The atmosphere here is welcoming and diverse, and from the very beginning I felt like I belonged here. The faculty is also incredibly supportive, encouraging us to think creatively and critically at all times. The classes are interactive and exciting, filled with play and exploration. We don't just learn from textbooks, we also engage in real-life scenarios that prepare us for the future. Outside of class, there are countless activities and events to join. I've met with friends from all over the world, each with their own unique stories and goals. It's not just about earning a degree, it's about growing as both a person and a professional. One of the best parts of this course is the placement experience. We have opportunities to work directly with children, which has deepened my passion for early childhood education. University of Canberra, Sydney Hills was the perfect choice for me. If you're dreaming of becoming an early childhood educator, I can't think of a better place to start your journey. Join us at University of Canberra, Sydney Hills, and be a part of something extraordinary. Your future in education awaits.